Hello, it's Miss Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks today with
Garrett. I don't know.
Garrett. And so we're talking about vowel shapes right now. Garrett just started voice lessons not that long ago. So, one of the really important things about singing that will help you sound more beautiful is to have as much space as possible in your mouth so you can get space while you're holding on to a vowel sound. Usually you don't hold on to a consonant sound while you're singing. Usually it's a vowel sound. So the most shallow vowel is going to be an oo, because we're singing in English. So for an oo, we still want to be able to get one fingertip between our teeth like this, at least. More is better. And so here, all the way around, my teeth are not touching. So you can't move your upper jaw. It doesn't move. You only can move your lower jaw. So we want to drop our lower jaw as far as we can when we're singing. And we always want to keep the teeth apart for every vowel. And then the tip of our tongue should be pressed against the roots of our lower teeth. Ha.
Those are the teeth, right?
So it's down out of the way. And that's going to be true for every vowel. So we want to create kind of like the shape of a bullhorn, like what cheerleaders use. Makes the sound louder and amplifies the sound naturally. So tongue down, jaw down, and we're going to make round lips for an oo. Woo! You can see my tongue is down. I don't know where I put my flashlight, but anyways. And then E is also a shallow one, so we still want to have space. E! E!
E.
Instead of E, where the corners are spread way out and the teeth are together. You could have your teeth totally touching for an E vowel if you wanted to. E.
E.
E. Like you can still hear it.
Yeah.
But that's not a very beautiful sound for singing. We want to have a tall E instead of a shallow E. So, like I say, we want to have the tip of the tongue down, but for an E vowel, the middle part of the tongue does have to go up. E. Okay? Or else it won't sound like an E.
E, yeah.
E.
The middle part, yeah. E, yeah.
And so we have oo, E,
Ooh, E.
and then we have A. So E and A I think of as both being two fingertip vowels. E, A. And the corners, we don't have to spread them out really far to get the E and the A.
Yeah.
We can leave them pretty much in the same place for all of the vowels. Ooh, E, A, oh. You know, they don't have to go ooh, E, A, or they're way out there. For some genres, that's desirable, but for right now, we're just going to have a nice oval-shaped vowel. So after ooh, E, A, we have ah, which is our tallest vowel. Same shape as if you're yawning. So 3 fingertips.
Oh, wow.
Ah.
It feels like I'm yawning.
Yeah, well, that's a good sign. And, if you put your fingertips here, you can feel the cave open up as you drop your jaw.
Yeah.
That's what we want. So we don't want it to be no cave at all. And we don't want it to be like too far where it hurts. But just a little cave right here. And that's how you know, oh, it's open. It's like I'm yawning.
Yeah.
Okay, so does that make sense?
Sure, so vowel shapes, yeah.
Yes. So, like if you're singing an exercise that is, you could say melismatic, which means one syllable, but more than one pitch, like this one we just were working on.
Yeah.
E. We can keep the same vowel shape for the whole exercise. Even though we're changing pitch, we don't have to go or we don't have to like wiggle our jaw around. We can just have E. And if anything, we could drop our jaw a little bit as we ascend. E.
Right.
That's the most we would need to move. We don't have to go E. You can hear the change in the sound, can't you?
Yeah.
So we want that tall, open sound. And as you go along and really decide like which genres you want to use when you're singing, there are some tweaks you can make to the vowel shapes to sound more authentic in a certain genre. But this is a great foundation to start with.
Yeah.
Just a pure vowel sound. Any questions?
No.
Okay, good job. Thumbs up for vowels.